Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Three things Coco and I love, and look at him, he's getting bigger, just a cutie pie, are ginger, garlic, and chicken. So I decided to combine them. Let me put him down for a second. So we made up this incredibly juicy ginger and garlic chicken. Great for Friday nights, great for a weekend, great for a ball game or a party. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. Okay guys, let's kick things off here with some chicken parts, and this is a combination of a leg and some breasts, but you can use, fat on, fat off, whatever parts you like. So what I'm going to do is combine this with some grated ginger. And I just love ginger. And this is a thumb-sized ginger, depending on how big your thumb is. Next up, a couple of cloves of grated garlic. And as I always say, this keeps the vampires out. 1 egg, slightly beaten. A tablespoon of soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. And if you don't have cooking wine, you can just use water. And of course, my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a wooden spoon and mix things up until the meat is completely coated. You know guys, this smells so good already. Yum. Cover this up and we're going to put this in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes just to marinate. Of course, as always, you can do it overnight if you like, but I'm in a bit of a hurry. Well, the chicken is marinating. I'm going to add some oil to my handy dandy wok. And we're going to bring this up to about 350 degrees. You don't have to use a wok, you can use a frying pan, or you can bake it or air fry it for that matter. Alright, what you can do now is just grab up the chicken, and I'm going to dredge this in about a cup of flour into the hot oil. And we're going to cook this until it's golden brown. Of course, halfway through the process, I'm just going to flip it over. This smells so good. After about 5 or 6 minutes, they're nicely golden brown. Just look at this. So I'm going to remove them and set them aside in a wire rack and fry up the next batch. And there you have it guys, our juicy ginger and garlic chicken bites. Okay, let's do a taste test. And I'm just going to dip this into some hot buffalo sauce. I have some mayo as well. Guys, believe me, this is so good. It's juicy. Spices are absolutely fantastic. You have to try this. So for this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And see you next time.